From Lublin in eastern Poland, a standard gauge rail line runs northwest to Warsaw. Along this line, about halfway between Lublin and the Vistula, is the resort town of Naleczow. It is best known for its healing mineral waters, but it also happens to be the terminus of a 750 mm gauge railroad that runs southwest for about 30 kilometers. The line was started in the late 1890s, using wooden rails to serve the rich agricultural land in this part of Poland. By 1911, it had been upgraded and extended to Opole Lubelski. Between the wars, another section was built at Poniatowa. Like most narrow gauge railroads in Poland today, it is owned by the PKP, the National Railroad System. But the PKP discontinued all narrow gauge railroad operations in the year 2000. In 2003, this line is leased by a private company which operates occasional excursion trains. Such an excursion train was operated on July 20th of 2003, and I had the opportunity to ride the return portion of the trip from Karczmiska to Naleczow. While waiting for the train to arrive at Karczmiska, I had time to explore and take a few pictures. The impressive shop building contained some nicely restored pieces visible through the windows, but unfortunately it was locked up, so we couldn't get pictures of them. Beyond the shop is the weed-grown steam era coaling facility. Also in the weeds was this double-ended snowplow and spreader, the usual miscellany of freight cars, and the ever-present standard gauge interchange equipment. The ubiquitous Romanian-built LXD-2 class of narrow gauge diesel locomotive handles all the operations. It's about train time, so let's head back to the station. People from the Midwestern United States would feel right at home in this part of Poland. It is wide open, flat, and highly cultivated. Here we see a field of black currants. Raspberries and hops are also commonly grown in this part of Poland. Especially scenic is the area around Bombonitsa near Naleczow, where the train passes the sanctuary of St. Mary Kobelska. The church steeple is visible for some time as the train climbs out of the narrow river valley. Finally, we come up with the standard gauge main line as we approach the Naleczow yard limit.